So, what about tertiary sector business activities? In tertiary sector, firms provide services to consumers and other businesses. No activity such as manufacturing or processing of raw material can be referred as tertiary sector activity. Some of the prominent examples of tertiary sector are retailing, transport, education, healthcare, insurance, banking, hotel, tourism, and telecommunications. Businesses in the tertiary sector specialize in providing services to the general population. What about the restaurants? Let me tell you. In restaurants, the goods are transformed in the process of providing a service. It happens in the restaurant when the chef prepares a meal by using the fresh ingredients. In this case, the chef processes the raw materials and converts it into the finished goods. But restaurant is still providing services of food. This was One Learning Minute. See you tomorrow.